In this one, I'm going to be finishing my handlebars on my Sportster 72. So if you've been following the transformation of my Sportster into a chopper style bike, you would have heard me harp on about tidying up the bars, because all old school choppers, you see that the bars are very minimalistic. So as you can see, I've relocated my gauge. I've also installed some underperch indicators to get rid of those big bulky ones. And I've also removed my stock mirrors. So I bought these 1-inch bar clamp mirrors from an Aussie bloke called hypnicjerk. He's also whacked in some pretty neat stickers with the mirrors, which I wasn't expecting.
Big beaver.
Anyway, moving on, let's whack these bar clamp mirrors on the bike. Alrighty, so these are pretty easy to install. All you need to do is just remove these bolts from the clamps. Whack some Loctite on the bolts because you don't want them coming loose. Now I'm just going to hop on the bike and set the height of the mirrors. Right about there, seems perfect. And another thing I will add is, if you can't get the right angle out of these bar clamp mirrors, what you might need to do is just loosen off your bar clamps and rotate your bars forward. Alright, that seems perfect. Anyway, let's have a closer look at them. So I'm sure I'm going to be bombarded with comments like, why'd you ditch your stock mirrors? You would have been able to see heaps more out of them. And obviously I didn't install these mirrors so that my vision would be much better, but the whole purpose of installing these mirrors was to get a nice minimalistic look on my bars, whilst also having my bike road legal in New South Wales, as it's a requirement that you need mirrors on both sides of your bars. Anyway, if you are interested in where I bought these mirrors, I'll just show up a quick clip showing the hypnicjerk Customs website. And as you can see, he's got loads of custom chopper parts. You can buy mirrors, indicators, rear tail lights, points covers, tank caps, you name it. Heaps of custom chopper stuff. So definitely be sure to hop on his website and check out his cool custom stuff. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks very much for watching. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.